Hello foodies! Today we have got for you a recipe of mixed fruit Falooda ice cream. Falooda is a layered dessert drink that can be prepared in few minutes. Indian Falooda recipe has many variations like mango Falooda, chocolate Falooda, kesar pista, etc. And today's recipe is another variation of Falooda with fresh seasonal fruits. This recipe is loaded with lots of nutrients, taste, sweetness, and look-wise it's just mouth-watering. A 10 on 10 recipe. It will definitely make you go foodalicious this summer season. While making this mixed fruit falooda, you need not be perfect in the measurements of the ingredients. It all depends on your own taste. Like, if you want it to be less sweet, cut down the sugar. Add in the fruits and nuts which go well with your taste. I have used the raspberry jelly and vanilla ice cream. You can use whichever flavor you like. The quantity of the ingredients I have mentioned in the list would serve for two. However, it also depends on the size of your glass. If the glass size is small, it might also serve for 3. I have used Wickfield raspberry jelly and have set it as per the instructions given on it. Make the Falooda noodles as mentioned on the packet. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. We need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup rose syrup, 1/4 cup chopped mixed fruits. Here I have used black and green grapes, pomegranate and kiwi. You can use any fruits of your choice. 1/4 cup chopped dry fruits. Here I have used raisins, cashew nuts, pistachios, almonds and walnut. You can use as per your choice and taste. Half a cup of jelly cubes, half a cup of Falooda noodles, 4 scoops vanilla ice cream, 1/4 cup basil seeds, commonly known as Sabja seeds. These seeds are to be soaked well before use. Now, let's have a look at the method. Firstly, boil milk in a pan and reduce it to half of its quantity. Then add sugar in it. Keep it in the refrigerator to cool. Then add rose syrup in it and mix it well to get the beautiful pink color. Keep it aside. In a glass, first put a layer of jelly cubes and add some rose syrup to it. Then add some Falooda noodles to it followed by a layer of mixed fruits. Next would be the basil seeds or commonly known as sabja seeds and again some noodles on it. Next we'll add a little milk with rose syrup. It should reach to the bottom of the glass but do not fill the whole glass. Then add a scoop of ice cream to it followed by some more milk. Then one more scoop of ice cream and top this ice cream scoop with some chopped dry fruits, jelly and pomegranate seeds. And here your mixed fruit Falooda ice cream is ready to be enjoyed in this hot weather. Now let's have a look at some tips which are very important. Keep the glass in the refrigerator to chill before starting with the recipe. If you want it to be less sweet, do not add sugar in milk. The rose syrup itself would make the milk a bit sweet. And finally, make this delicious recipe of mixed fruit falooda and enjoy it with your family, loved ones and especially your kids. And do not forget to write in your suggestions and experiences via comments. If you like this recipe of mixed fruit falooda ice cream, then please like, share and subscribe our channel Foodie Speaks. Thank you so much.